3 people are dead, and a ship that was quarantined has finally docked in the Canary Islands of Spain. And the virus responsible? It has no cure and a mortality rate of 38%. Yes, we are talking about the Andes strain of the hantavirus. A passenger falls sick and dies on board. By May 8th, there were 3 passengers who were dead and 1 critically ill. Hantavirus has a mortality rate of about 38%, and this Andes strain particularly has a mortality rate higher, which was about 50%. We have no vaccines and no antivirals available for this virus. Hantavirus spreads by direct contact with the rodents, that is rats and mice. It is also caused by inhalation of air that is contaminated with the rat urine, droppings or saliva. This particular strain is also known for human-to-human transmission, but only via intimate contact. It takes about 6 to 8 weeks for the symptoms to develop. Early symptoms are flu-like, fever with chills, body aches, shortness of breath, chest tightness. Some people have nausea, vomiting and diarrhea as well. Once the disease advances, the lungs get filled with fluid, which is known as hantavirus pulmonary syndrome, after which every other organ starts getting involved. As a pulmonologist, let me be very clear. When the fluid reaches the lungs, we are literally fighting for saving patients' life. So early detection is very important. Here's a 5-point checklist for your safety. Never dry sweep rodent droppings, always wet it and disinfect it. Wear mask and gloves while doing so. Seal all entry points for rodents in your home. Store food only in sealed containers. If you've been exposed to rodents and have symptoms, then please seek medical help. Even though WHO has confirmed that the current global risk is low, rodent control is not only a matter of hygiene anymore. Hantavirus does not spread through air in crowded places like COVID. It does not spread through food and water like cholera. It spreads only through rodents. So now you know your surroundings, you're well aware of the signs. Please act fast if anything feels off. Stay informed, stay safe.